In my last video, I explained my trip to Vegas, but I wanted to give you a little bit more information about my favorite hotel in Las Vegas, the Red Rock Casino. The Red Rock is located about 20 miles outside of the Las Vegas Strip in the suburb of Summerlin. I won a jackpot there a few years ago, and so I get comped rooms from time to time. Although I was there by myself, the room that was available had 2 beds, and so I had a nice, large, spacious room with 2 double beds. The bathroom at this hotel is huge. It has really nice finishings, and it's a very comfortable bathroom. My real only complaint about it is that they could have saved some of the real estate that they use for the bathtub and made the shower a little bit bigger. This room was called an executive corner room. It was very large, over 600 square feet, I believe, and I had this fabulous view of the pool. I was only going to be there for 3 nights, so I started to unpack, and then I decided what was the point. I don't know about you, but I'm a complete and utter germaphobe. I have been even before COVID. So one of the first things I do when I check into a hotel is pull out my Clorox wipes and wipe down as many surfaces as I can think of. Like most hotels, the mini bar was ridiculously overpriced, and so I didn't touch anything. This hotel, though, if you pick up anything from the mini bar or even take anything out of the refrigerator and hold it for longer than 15 seconds, you will be charged. The other small issue is that the only refrigerator in the room is the minibar fridge, and so there's no place for you to keep any drinks or anything that you purchase. The desk area was nice and spacious. There were lots of plugs and USB ports next to the desk. The only other issue I had with this was that the chair was actually kind of low for the desk, and so it wasn't exactly the most ergonomically correct setup. The hotel has quite a few sit-down restaurants and a food court, but it was just a little awkward eating by myself, so for the most part I would just go downstairs, grab some food, and then come back and eat in the room. I didn't film a lot of the casino itself. It just felt a little awkward walking around a Vegas casino with the camera, so I apologize for not getting a lot of shots of the casino and the common areas of the hotel, but let me just tell you, it's a fabulous hotel. You will not be disappointed. I absolutely love this hotel. It's a way to be in Vegas without having to be in the hustle and bustle of Las Vegas. Again, it's outside of the Strip, but it's a very large casino and hotel. There's a spa, and every time I go there, I feel like I never want to leave. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you next time. Bye.